Look who crept in with automatic weapons, reppin' QB to the death of him. That nigga that inspired lyrical tyrants like Kanye West and M. Track record goes back to the essence. Smack adolescents who ask who the best is. I'm nasty like gas from a fat man attested. I pass it, you gas of a breath and you die fast. Got 'em like a gas stomach bypass. Bunch of nice advocates, actors seem to get typecast in the same role. 616, I ain't broad day. Oh yeah, my brain grow. Cocaine. Was once a Bacardi sipper, now it's Sean apartments hitting. I was real young, look at you, a novice nigga. Blessings, bow down, respected. Chow down, I'm a food digested. Pow pow, go my shoot as a text bit, but what's louder than the noise that I just spit? Let's get one thing straight, then my crown and for testing. Chop heads off like King Henry VIII. Guillotine to your neck, bitch. I'm a king of this thing. Don't be dumb. Been in this shit since '91. Niggas can't fuck with the style I use.